Hi everyone, this is Parul Chaturvedi and my today's yoga practice is if you are feeling stressed, anxious, overwhelmed because of any situation in your life right now. This practice will help you relax and calm and manage your anxiety. Okay, it's a quick yoga practice ideal for if you have less time, busy parent, professional, or anyone who wants to bring yoga in their lifestyle and is short on time. So let's start. You're going to just sit comfortably and just resting your hands on your knees. We're going to start this practice with 3 deep breaths. So breath is very powerful. Sometimes just taking few deep breaths can help us relax. So rest your hands on your knees. Keep your spine long. Relax your shoulders. And then just take 3 deep breaths. Breathing in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. Let go of any stress if you can. Breathing in and breathe out through your mouth. One more, breathing in and breathe out through your mouth. And then slowly you're going to take one more deep breath, this time in through your nose, out through your nose. Breathing in and breathe out slowly through your nose. Breathe in and breathe out to let go. One more, breathing in through your nose. Breathe out to let go. Then you're going to slowly open your eyes and we're going to start with neck release. So you're going to put your left hand on the right side of your head and lean your head gently to your left. Relax your right arm, drop your right shoulder down and just feel all the sensation, the tension in your neck. Sometimes when we are stressed, we hold a lot of tension in our neck area. So releasing this will help you. So just gently pull your right shoulder down, gently take your chin down towards your chest. Stay here for another few seconds. Make sure you're breathing. And then slowly release and switch side. Now take your right hand on the left side and lean your head to your right. And just take a moment to observe how you feel, any difference in sensation from the other side. Be gentle and kind to yourself. Breathe. And then slowly bring your head back. Interlace your fingers. Put it at the back of your neck. And now we're going to just bring our chin to the chest, stretching the back of your neck. Elbows in. Breathe. Again releasing the tension. And then slowly you're going to bring yourself up. Open your chest, open your elbows, breathe. Yeah, sometimes with closed chest, if you've been sitting for long, our breath becomes shallow. And this is a great practice to open your heart, open your chest, to create more space to breathe, more oxygen. And as a result of that, you will feel better. Breathe. And then slowly bring your head back to neutral position. I hope you feel slightly better. Okay, now we're going to work on hip release. Our hip stores a lot of emotions as well. Okay, so we're going to work on hip release. So you're going to bend your legs, take your palms back, Open your fingers wide like this, okay? Gently pressing into your palms, lifting your chest up. And then you're going to lift your right leg up, resting your right heel on top of your left knee. Flex your toes for your right foot. And then just maintain that lift in your chest. Feel releasing your right hip. Breathe. Stay here another 3 breaths. And then slowly you're going to bring your chest back to neutral. You're going to extend your left leg and take your right foot in to touch your left inner thigh. Flex your toes in for your left foot. Lift your arms up, breathing in, head to knee pose, Janu Sirsasana. Breathe out, bring your arms forward. So releasing the tightness from your legs. Breathe. Stay here, let go, just relax, surrender. And then slowly, you're going to bring your arms in, take your arms up, breathe in. Breathe out, arms down. Let's switch side, okay? So you're going to bend your legs again. And this time, you're going to lift your left leg up. Flex your toes for your left foot, pressing into your palms. Lift your chest up, feel the release on your hips. Breathe. Stay here. Keep lifting your chest up and grounding your hips down. And then slowly bring yourself back to neutral spine. Extend your right leg straight this time. Left foot in, touching your right inner thigh. Flex your toes. Lift your arms up, breathing in. Breathe out, arms forward. Relax your shoulders. Just let go. Breathe. Stay here for another 3 breaths. And then slowly, you're going to bring your arms in. Take your arms up, breathe in. Breathe out, arms down. Okay? Now from here, you're going to take your legs in and we come on all 4 position. You're going to rest your palms down. Fingers are wide open. We are going to do cat and cow to relax your spine and your lower back. So you're going to drop your belly, arch your back, lift your chin up, breathing in. Breathe out, round your spine. Slow movement, connecting to what you feel right now. Continue breathing in, look up. Breathing out, round and contract, look at your belly button. One more, breathing in. Breathing out. Coming back to neutral spine, you're going to take your right hand down, lift your left arm up, opening your body to your left. Breathe in. Breathe out. We're going to thread the needle, sliding your left arm down. Rest your left shoulder down, left ear down. Extend your right arm straight. Breathe. Stay here for 3 breaths. And then you're going to take your right arm in, pressing into your right palm, bring your left hand back, and then you open your body to your right, take your right arm up, slide your right arm in, resting your right shoulder down, extend your left arm straight, Keep breathing and keep your chin slightly away from your chest. Staying here for another 3 breaths. Okay, from here you're going to take your left hand in, press into your left palm, bring your right hand back on the mat. Okay, now you're going to take your right leg back, press into the ball of your right foot, releasing the tension from your calf muscles. Stay here. And then gently bring your right leg in, switch side. Extend your left leg back, pressing into your ball of your left foot. And then slowly bring your left knee in, and we are going to go in wide knee child pose, joining your big toes together, opening your knees wide as you feel comfortable. Stretch your arms forward, rest your forehead down or as close as you can, taking your hips back towards your heels. Stay here for 3 breaths, just letting go, relax. Try to relax your body and mind. Be present. And then slowly you're going to bring your hands in and just take your hands back, taking a gentle back bend. Bring your legs in, resting your fingertips down or your palms down, pressing into your palms, and just lift your chest up, releasing any stress from your lower back, creating more space to breathe. And then gently come back, and we end the practice with a calming breathing, that is Brahmari, humming bee breath. Okay, so for that you're going to put your thumb on the ear, you're going to put 2 fingers on your eyes, your ring finger underneath your nose, and your pinky finger underneath your lips. You're going to press your ears gently with your thumb, sitting long, breathing in. And then once you are done, relax your hands on your knees. Feel that stillness, the calmness that you feel after this short practice, and may you carry this throughout your day. And then gently open your eyes. Namaste. So thank you so much for doing this practice with me. I hope to see you again on the mat tomorrow. Take care and have a great day ahead. Namaste. Hi everyone, I hope you had a good practice today. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button for getting update on all my new videos. And if you have children or you know children who want to practice yoga, do introduce them to my YouTube channel for kids, Bliss Yoga Kids. The link of that is in the description below. Thank you so much. Namaste.